This diagnostics manual is valid for the following tractor types: 6020, 6120, 6220, 6320, 6420, 6420S, 6520, 6620, 6820, 6920 and 6920S. SE tractors: 6020, 6120, 6220, 6320, 6420 and 6520. This manual is written for an experienced technician. Essential tools required in performing certain service work are identified in this manual and are recommended for use. Live with safety, read the safety messages in the introduction of this manual and the cautions presented throughout the text of the manual. This is the safety alert symbol. When you see this symbol on the machine or in this manual, be alert to the potential for personal injury. Technical manuals are concise guides for specific machines. They are on-the-job guides, containing only the vital information needed for diagnosis, analysis, testing, and repair. Fundamental service information is available from other sources covering basic theory of operation, fundamentals of troubleshooting, general maintenance, and basic type of failures and their causes.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.